my name is Christina. I am one of the tutors here on Cambly. Now, in today's lesson, I want to talk to you about what's the difference between using the word do and using the word make. Now, I've been tutoring here on Cambly for a while now, and I've noticed my students get this confused all the time. The reason is, in other languages, we tend to use make for a lot of activities and sentences that we don't necessarily use the word make when we're talking in English. So today, that's what I want to focus on with you guys. When we talk about creating or producing something, we want to use the word make. For example, I make dinner, or I am making dinner. Now, you can clearly see on the plate, there's some food that I want to eat. We can also say, I make films, and we can see that film maybe in the movie theater, or perhaps that film is a video, that's a YouTube video that I'm making right now, and hopefully you're all enjoying. We also use the word make when it's actions that we choose to do. For example, I make friends, or I am making friends. Now, I chose to go and talk to some people, and in the end, I have some new friends. We can also say, let's make a promise, or I am making a promise. Now, I chose to do something I think is a good thing, and that was my choice. Now, when we're just talking about an action that doesn't have a visible result after it's finished, we want to use the word do. Think of it like this. Do is used when we talk about actions, obligations, things that we have to do, and repetitive activities, things that we do again and again and again. Here are some examples. I do exercise. I do yoga. I do sports. For example, I do football, I do tennis, or I do volleyball. Now, did you notice something? Whenever we talk about sports or exercise, we always use the word do, okay? We never say, I make basketball, or I make exercise. It's always do. Some other examples of using the word do is I am doing homework, or we do fun activities, or I am doing tutoring every day, and hopefully that will be true after this video. These are all actions that we do that don't necessarily have an end result. That's why we choose the word do. For a greater learning experience, you can join us here on Cambly, which gives you access to native English-speaking tutors. You can easily book lessons from your phone or your computer at any time, any schedule which works best for you. So, schedule your next class with me by clicking on the link below. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Until next time. Bye.